Don't buy all this nonsense of that we are victims. We are all villains in the world. Villains, I'm a villain around my discipline in preventing myself of gaining this enormous amounts of fat. And I must take responsibility for that. And I do now in this phase. I mean, I don't eat and I do whatever I can do now to get the bulk off again. But I need to renew my mind around this process. I cannot hope that when I stop fasting that I will then develop the system. It's discipline steps. It is, as James Clear said, you must make it a habit. You must identify. I identify as a person who loves to be healthy. That's my identity. I'm a person who loves to exercise, and therefore I will surround me with people who's like-minded. You know, we have to live our lives. So, as I always say, it's your life, live it.